packed up, ready to go. Let's do it. You can see the truck is empty. It's empty right now. In a few hours, I'm about to have it full. Only an hour in and I'm damn near done. You know what I'm saying? Hard work. Got everything packed. I even got Old Faithful. Got Old Faithful. I just want to show y'all how sweaty I am. Whew. Man. You know what I'm saying? Sweaty but still sexy. All moved in the storage unit. Give y'all a quick tour of the storage unit. Got some clothes. Boxes all on the back. Got my TV for my truck, and I got it real neat in here, so when I come into the storage, boom, it ain't nothing in the way. I can sit down, bam, look at Old Faithful back here. Yeah, man, get what I need. You know what I'm saying? Got everything organized for when I come off the road and I gotta just grab some stuff, just boom, boom, boom. All that hygiene products over there. And here got all my little necessity food items just in case I'm not at a store or something I could just grab, you know what I'm saying? I keep it mostly organic or healthy. Trader Joe's, you know what I'm saying? Sprouts. I mean, all right. Got my safes, got my copper pennies. All right. What up, y'all? So today I really want to test myself before I go on my externship, just to make sure, because we're gonna have a DOT drug test. So I ordered a 12 drug test screen card, and it tests for all 12 drugs, cocaine. I don't know what the AMP is, all that, THC, oxys, opioids, benzos, barbiturates, you know what I'm saying? But the main ones that I'm looking to test is cocaine, marijuana, and the benzo, just to make sure I don't have nothing in my system, you know what I'm saying? Because I know, you know, did my little thing, so I just want to make sure. So got my P right here, and I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna get to it. So testing for 12 drugs, so let's do it. All right, so we got it out the pack. A positive result is only one line at the top and no line at the bottom. Negative is you can see both lines, and that even means if it's a faded line, doesn't matter. So these are 6 drugs on one side and 6 on the other. So when I do the test, I'm gonna keep it on this side. So let's do it. All right, so we got to submerge strips in between the P. About right there. Make sure it doesn't touch the top part, and let's get it started. Hopefully everything's out my system. I should be good to go. I shouldn't have nothing in my system anyway, so I've been cleansing myself and all kind of stuff. All right, so as you can see, everything came out negative. The THC, they said on the paper that the THC is the only one that even if you don't smoke weed for months and months, it still might come out a little light like that. But they say as long as that line is still visible, then that means it's a negative result. So I'm negative for everything. You know what I'm saying? So I should be good to go. And they say even a faded line like that means a negative result. So I should be good. Main one I was concerned with was the cocaine one because but now that that's all good, I should be good to go, man. Yeah. What up, y'all? So this is the very first night in the empty apartment. Everything else is in storage. You know what I'm saying? All I got is an air mattress, regular mattress, Jordan slippers. Everything else in storage. You know what I mean? I gotta survive exactly 1 week. Today is Sunday. My externship starts next Monday, so I'm gonna be in here exactly 1 week. I already paid rent for that 1 week. I'm gonna be in this empty apartment, you know what I'm saying? And it's a good thing that everything's in storage and I don't have to deal with paying rent, because all that rent money's going straight in my pocket. You know what I'm saying? I could live out the truck, be a real truck driver, you know what I'm saying? My days off, rent out a hotel, dumb out whatever city I'm in, and really live that over the road life, you know what I'm saying? I don't got no wife, no kids, nothing holding me back, no child support. I can get tatted up with my money. I don't gotta pay to no, you know what I'm saying, nobody. I don't owe nobody nothing. I'm 30 years old, man, I'm finna be living that life. You dig? So all I'm gonna bring with me on my externship is these 2 bags. This bag got all my clothes in it. And y'all remember my last video I made of my Nike bag? This Nike bag is gonna have all my hygiene products and all my food items and shit. These motherfuckers be snapping. They bomb. You know what I'm saying? Got some food items in there. I love my little Trader Joe organic lollipop. You know your boy can't go nowhere without no cash flow. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna bring 500 big ones with me over the road, cause I know a lot of students when they go on their externship, they be going broke with no money. I can't be one of them students. Gots to have money on deck, you feel me? Cause I know my first check gonna come and it's gonna be a guaranteed $650 a week check with my trainer, but I just wanna be safe, you know what I'm saying? I wanna always have cash on hand, so I'm gonna go in my externship already with $500 so I could dumb out, get, you know what I'm saying, dinner, lunch, breakfast, whatever I need while I'm out there, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna already go out there with some bread, bye. And then when I solo out, it's gonna move up from 650 to I think like 7, 8 something. And after my first year, we going up to 1,000 a week, shawty. Or close to it. Alright, yeah. What up, YouTube? Your boy did it. We on our way to our externship. I already got my ticket printed out. And I'm finna go through TSA. Let's do it. Yay. At the charging station, waiting for my flight to start. I'm an hour early. Went to Porter Subs. Paid $15 for an 8-inch sub, chips and a drink. Ain't that some bullshit? Note to self, never get airport food. Let's do it, shout it. We here. We here, we gone, we here, yo. They just had to give me a middle seat. Finally made it off that plane. The worst experience. I'll explain later. I gotta get that. Yeah, they say there's a lot of conspiracy behind the horse. Man, what up, YouTube? So we finally made it to the room. You know what I'm saying? Got the flat screen. Got a plush bed. You know what I mean? Got the mirror right here. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice room. Nice. My company provided this room, my flight, and what else? Oh, and the taxi. The taxi fee came out to like $75. I was like, damn, but my company paid for it. So I tipped him like $5. I was like, what the fuck, $5. And before I get comfortable in this bed, a tip I learned from a flight attendant, YouTube flight attendant that I be watching, he said he be going from state to state, and he said whenever you get a hotel, always pull back the bed sheets and look in the corners of the mattress, and that's the biggest indication that lets you know if the room got bed bugs. So this room is straight. I don't see no bed bugs. I mean, Gucci. I got the bubblies right now. I'm about to drop one good one real quick. But yeah, nice little room right here. Got the little light lit up mirror. I'm gonna get my shave on one more time before I leave. Ooh, that's a big shower head right there. Big old shower head. Got the little soaps. Smells fire. Got the other little soaps. I'm gonna use all of them up. Alright. It's nothing really fun about showing a hotel room, so just show a little bit. I just missed breakfast, so I'm kind of hot right now. They got the little coffee thing. They got the little water bar. Matter of fact, I'm about to take one of these right now. Got that. A little refrigerator. Got the flat screen. Let's see what's on TV. I ain't watched TV in I don't know how long, bro. Cause of my old apartment, I ain't have cable. Oh, we got some bitches. Hold on, let me turn the flash up. I might have to go at this poodle, huh? Got little thoughts. For sure. I'm finna go down there at the pool. All right. They look like Roseanne, a young Roseanne. All right, y'all, enough of this. Your boy out, Las Vegas Nights. We made it to our externship. I'm about to load this video, and then I'll let y'all know how the orientation goes. Las Vegas Nights, we out. Peace. What up, y'all? I just ate breakfast. I should have filmed it, but I forgot. I was so hungry, I just ate. But yeah, I'm out here in Denver, Colorado in July, and it feels mighty swell compared to Vegas. Vegas, woo! Nigga would have been sweating bullets right now. But yeah, man, we out here, Denver, Colorado. Day one of my orientation starts tomorrow. That's where I gotta turn in all my paperwork. give them my social, my ID, my CDL, all that shit. And I'll let y'all know how I go from there. My hotel is over there. So yeah, peace. What up, YouTube? Oh man, just woke up. Man, extreme jet lag. It is 8:30. Oh man, extreme jet lag, bro. Woo.
You think I want some flowers you just picked up on the side of the road? Ain't no softening to that, Harold. Robert, I want to spend an anniversary with you. There's nothing happy about the years we've been together.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Yeah, I'm trying too. I'm trying to get the hell away from you. And why'd you...
Oh yeah, it's going down. Ooh, hot. Yeah. We hooked it up, coach. Free breakfast. We hooked it up, coach. Free breakfast. This is my second serving right here. I already ate once. Thank you, Jesus, for free breakfast. I'll take those with me. Ah, yes. Day number 1. Yes, sir. I'm ready. Gloves.
Okay, so you gotta make a left-hand turn. Okay.
What up, YouTube? Long day. Long day. Back in my hotel. My bag's down. Whew. Man, I'm burnt out. See what time it is. It is 2:29. 2:30 in the afternoon. Just coming back after spending what? Left out at 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 6 hours at orientation. Whew. Take my shoes off. So, what happened? What happened? Basically, the only thing that really happened is orientation. We did our DOT drug test. We did some backing maneuvers, some basic road range. We went on the highway just to show our new company that we know how to drive, you know what I mean? Because we're not students anymore, we're officially like truck drivers. The only thing that's holding us back is that DOT drug test. That comes back Thursday. That'll let us know whether we passed or failed. Today is Tuesday, so it's gonna take another couple days before we find out. And that's the only obstacle in the way. Like I said, I did my pre-drug test on myself, so hopefully that's Gucci. You know what I'm saying? Only time will tell. And that's that. So, about to crash out, watch some TV. I wish I would have brought my PlayStation. You know what I'm saying? This motherfucker kind of lame, low key, without the station. Let's see what's outside. Got the pool right there and shit. All right, y'all. I'm about to hop in the shower, get comfortable, watch some love and hip hop bullshit or whatever the fuck else on TV, and just crash. Boy, Las Vegas Nights. I'll let y'all know in a few days what happened. Peace out. What up, YouTube? Today is day 3. I shaved myself because today is the day I go on the trainer truck, and today will be officially day 1 for me. But on one occasion, I have to pass that drug test. That's the last thing I'm waiting on, and I just don't know how scared I am. So that's the last thing. I'm checking out of the hotel today, so got all my bags packed over there, and bed dirty, with room service to take care of all that. Man, like I said, it's the scariest. This is gonna be the scariest few hours of my whole trucking career before it even starts. You know what I'm saying? Because I already passed the initial road test, their interview, which consists of a road test. You gotta show them your range skills. One guy got sent home the very first day because he had some fake pee. And he told the dude that he smoked 6 days before he came to the externship, so gone. 10 years. No company is gonna hire you for 10 whole years if you got a positive on your drug test. So remember that, all future CDL drivers, you know what I'm saying? But me, I'll find out once I go back to the terminal. Right now, that's where I'm headed. We gotta bring all our bags to the terminal because we're either gonna get sent home because of a failed drug test, or we're gonna hop straight on our trainer truck. So y'all wish me luck, man. Las Vegas Nights. So, oh yeah, and I shaved because we're gonna probably be on our trainer truck for 2 whole weeks straight until I get my own truck, 2 to 3 weeks till I get my own truck. And my facial hair grows back real quick, so I had to shave it all off now. So by the time it starts growing back, I'll probably be week 1.5. You know what I'm saying? So time to check out, y'all. Las Vegas Nights, we out. What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Las Vegas Nights. I'm kind of quiet right now because I'm in the lounge area waiting for my mentor to come. But basically, I passed the drug test. Your boy officially in there, man. So I passed the school's drug test and my company's drug test. Now, I know a lot of y'all might ask me what company I'm with or who I'm gonna, join or whatever. I'm not. That's the only thing I'm not telling y'all, because I've seen a lot of YouTubers actually get in trouble from their company because a snitch off of YouTube got them in trouble. So my company is more important to me than a YouTube account. So if anybody asking what company I joined, I'm not gonna tell nobody. I'm just making videos strictly not to teach anybody how to truck, but just my journey. So your boy, Las Vegas Nights, we did it, y'all. Peace.